Hello friends, welcome back. Uh, in this session we will talk what is Spark. Spark is in-memory data processing engine to execute any streaming application. It could be machine learning application or it could be heavy SQL workload. That means iterative access to dataset. What is dataset? Dataset is nothing but the collection of any object. It could be string or custom type. Since it is in memory, that's why it is very fast. In this session, what we will do, we will run our first Spark application. So prerequisite for running this program is that you need to have Java. You need to have Java 8 and Eclipse. So let me open my Eclipse and I'm going to set up my Spring Boot application. It's going to be my main project. I'm going to give the group ID com.live for tech Spark Spark learning. In the parent, I'm going to give the org.spring framework.boot, then spring boot parent starter. Let me see the version. First, I'm going to use this is the correct, I believe. Yes, spring boot starter parent. Then I'm going to use 1.5.2 release version. Let's finish it. My Spring Boot application is created. Uh, I'll open this form. I just changed the Java version to Java 1.8. Done. Then I'm going to add a couple of dependencies. In these dependencies, I'm going to include what is my Spark core version and Spark SQL version. So this is this project we are going to use for complete series. So let me copy paste that. What I need to first, I need to make it this. We have to download the couple of dependencies. Okay. Then I'm going to download put in the dependencies Spark core. Spark core is done. Then I'm going to put the Hadoop client. Then I'm going to HDFS version. Then in the build plugin I'm going to put Spring Boot 9 plugin. So let me do the formatting. So let me repeat again. It is going to be Spring Boot application. I'm just imported there as a parent is the Spring Boot starter parent. Then I added Spring Boot starter web in the dependency. Then I added Spark core 2.10 version. Then we have added Hadoop client 2.7.3. Then we also added the Hadoop HDFS dependency, that is 2.7.3. That's it. So we have our project is ready. So let me do the Maven build. So if you see, JDK changed to 1.8. It has downloaded all the dependencies such as Spark code, Hadoop, Spring Boot, everything. Okay. So what we'll do, I'm going to write our first program. Let me define the package. This is going to be hello world. Our first class is created. In this main method I'm going to create the spark count. So this is download the not sure why it is taking so much time. Since it is resolving the dependency, it will give me a pop-up with the classes. So this is already imported this part. Now I'm going to provide the name, set app name. Let's say hello world spark job. I'm going to tell that set master that it how many cores it needs to run this program. So by default I'm going to put local bracket star. What it tells that which how many whatever core is available on this machine, use this for running this job. Let's create the Java Spark context. In this I'm going to pass the configuration we have created. See, our context is created. Now I'm going to read some file for processing. Let's say context.text file. So what I'll do, from input directory sample.txt I'm going to read this file. When I'm going to read this file, it is going to return me Java RDD of type string. So Java RDD of type string, let's say lines. So it means it has to be okay. So it has imported the Java RDD. Let's create this file. Folder in folder is created. I'm going to get a new file, sample.txt. This is my first program on Spark. Full stop. Now what I'll do, I iterate over this RDD. Since this is a collection of a data set which is contained in multiple lines. Here we have only one line. Still, let's do this. Map function where each line, this lambda expression line to uppercase. So what it will going to do, it is going to return me new RDD type string. Don't worry about this map and lambda expression. I'm going to explain in future videos or in coming videos. Just now our aim is to run this Spark job or Spark hello world application. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this output into one file. Sorry, let's see, uppercase lines are save as text file. I'm going to put in output slash sample underscore output.txt. Okay, so my program is ready. Let me run this program. I'm going to run as a Java application. Let's see the console. I believe it failed. I saw some red marks on the top. No, it's not there. Let's see the output. Did it create output folder? Output folder is created. Sample underscore output folder is created, and this job is success. These are the two parts. Since I'm having two core processor, that's why I'm taking two output. Let's open this. See the input file having This is my first program on Spark on a smaller cases, but the output is on the caps. So we are done with our first program on Spark. Thanks for watching this video. In next video we will talk about RDD, what is the transformations, and what is the use case of this. Okay, thanks for watching.